I'll drink to this. Hillary Clinton's emails. Oh, I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. She changed her story many a times. It's a Republican thing there. It's a hit piece against me. Well, the person that's in charge of the FBI, I'm slurring already. I ain't drink nothing. The FBI investigation was a Clinton and Comey. Guess what he says? Clinton is being investigated for several counts, 2,100 to be exact, of classified information over her server. And guess what, folks? That's only the one she handed in. She deleted 60,000 of them. Castellano, that's old news. What are you saying? Well, the Inspector General of the State Department just came out a few days ago. Guess what he said? I tried to interview Hillary Clinton. She refused. She said, you want to interview? She refused nobody. The Inspector General of the State Department asked her to testify. No. She asked her aides to testify. They said no. Folks, it's all coming to a head. I hope you guys like Bernie Sanders, the socialist, and Professor Irwin Corey, or Joe Biden. He's next in line. I'll pull the plugs on the top of his head and watch him go down the drain. Folks, you're stuck with him. You know what? All of a sudden, Donald Trump isn't looking so bad, is he? You know, if you people haven't woken up yet, there's just one thing I gotta tell you. Smoke 'em!